Okay, I think it's working. Or is it just us imagining?
No, I think it is.
I think it is. Yeah. You're like getting pissed. I don't think it's working.
I don't think it's working.
Okay, do you want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm holding it at the tree. Oh! Oh my god!
Oops.
Okay. Okay. This is gonna happen.
Then we'll
Wrap
post
it-
it. They will
wrap
post
it
this
like-
under
wrap
YouTube
it-
under that guy because it
Wrap
doesn't work.
it like so. Right? Mother Earth.
Swaddle it.
Swaddle like a baby. Not a baby. Alright. Please don't drop.
Is it doing anything? Was he doing it harder?
I know, like how hard
I
is
think
he
he
doing
was doing it really hard.
I know. That's why there's a towel. For the pressure. No, we're not strangling children. Mind your own business. That guy wanted to know. Okay.
Well, in case he wants to help us out, he should just keep driving. Let me get the side to see if I see.
The tree's gonna like fall
I know.
over. Okay, by the way, not doing anything.
Maybe we should have harder.
Alright.
One hard, just a couple hard ones, and then we'll give up. And we'll just go the
That's why
2
people are
blocks,
never gonna
the
have
2
sex with
blocks,
me again.
the 2 blocks to buy it. The 2
2 blocks, we've spent 30 minutes trying to figure it out without the course.
It is more fun this way. I mean, he did have man strength.
You have the man strength, not me. Motherfucker. No. Look at it.
Oh no.
It's so fuzzed.
A fucking liar. How do I make this stop, Chelsea?
That's the mighty tree that's
the
probably
mighty
gonna fall into
tree.
the building now.